Time.
Well, thank you.
Critical period, so thanks for your time.
Yes.
Appreciate it. Okay.
Even if you militarily defeat them from all those areas, as an ideology, it's not going to be vanished. So fight against ISIS is going to be a long fight, not only militarily but also economically, ideologically. Okay.
Yeah.
There are many different IEDs that they put in different places. They come up with different tactics. Of course, there are many that are used like network. So in one house, they are putting one IED, trying to hide it, and once it explodes, then the entire neighborhood explodes. Based on our estimate, only in Iraq about maybe 35,000 have been killed. So the remaining ones, and they have recruited new ones. It's not like they came with a fixed number, and then those that are killed you deduct, and then you see that how many are there. No, every day, every week, every month, they're trying to recruit new people. Of course, there is no absolute security anywhere in the world, but so far we have managed to keep it relatively secure, and we have captured a number of this, let's say, sleeping cells, if you will, or people that were disguised as IDPs. We do believe that ISIS is the byproduct, is the result of a political failure, the political system that has failed in this country, in Syria, that led to economic collapse, to political collapse, and eventually to security vacuum, which was filled by these terrorist radicalist organizations, which eventually led to the rise of ISIS.
Yeah, I'll just put this here if you don't mind.
Well, we don't know the exact location, obviously, and but we have received information that he is moving, in areas, so he's not basically located in one single position. He's not in one place. He's moving around.
But he is.
Okay.
He's been surrounded by good advisors, people with military and intelligence backgrounds, so they tell him what to do and what not to do, what to carry, where to go, and how to protect himself. And they're ready to fight the world. So they do have some knowledge of how to protect themselves and hide. After Baghdadi is gone, ISIS is not going to be the same ISIS. It's not easy for people to believe in one person as their own leader. So there is, there may be some group following, let's say, his deputy, but there are definitely people who may have disagreements about his replacement.
You ready?
Thank you for